Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about extrinsic semiconductors. First of all, what are extrinsic semiconductors? To increase the conductivity pure semiconductors, some impurities are added. Some impurities are added. This process is called doping. To increase the conductivity of pure semiconductors, some impurities are added. This process is called doping. Due to doping, energy levels are altered. That means energy levels are appeared. Energy levels are appeared. Based upon doping, extrinsic semiconductors can be classified into two types. They are N-type semiconductors. First one, N-type semiconductors. Second one, P-type semiconductors. Now, we discussed about N-type semiconductors. Fifth group, elements are added to intrinsic semiconductors. N-type semiconductors are formed. Fifth group elements are arsenic, bismuth, and antimony. Fifth group elements contain 5 valency electrons. In these 4 electrons are formed covalent bonds. Remaining 1 electron is bonded loosely with the parent atom. Some energy is applied to these electrons. They are jump to conduction band. These electrons are called as free electrons. N-type semiconductors, fifth group elements are added to intrinsic semiconductors. N-type semiconductors are formed when fifth group elements are added to intrinsic semiconductors. N-type semiconductors are formed. And fifth group elements examples are arsenic, bismuth, antimony. Fifth group elements contain 5 valence electrons. Remain 1 electron. In these 4 electrons are formed covalent bonds. Fifth group elements valence shell having 5 electrons. In the 5 electrons, 4 electrons are formed covalent bonds with surrounding silicon atoms. Remaining one electron is bonded loosely with the parent atom. Some energy is applied to the electrons. Some energy is applied to the remaining one electron. They are jumped to conduction band. These electrons are called as free electrons. Now, it can be clearly explained in the diagram. Consider fifth group element arsenic. It having 5 electrons in the valence shell. It can be formed 4 covalent bonds with surrounding silicon atoms. 2, 3, 4. Silicon, 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 silicon. Right. Then fifth group element is added to the pure semiconductor. Example is arsenic. Arsenic having 5 valency electrons. In the 5 valency electrons, 4 electrons are bonded. 4 electrons are formed covalent bonds. Remaining one is Remaining one is free electron. Remaining one is free electrons. So these electron is loosely bonded with the parent atom and some energy is applied to the electron. This can be jumped to the conduction band. Due to these free electrons, conduction can be occurred. So free electrons causes conduction. So majority carriers in n-type semiconductors are electrons and the minority carriers are holes. At low temperature, Fermi level lies between conduction level and donor level. At high temperature, the Fermi level goes to intrinsic level. This can be shown in the below figure. Conduction band, this is valency band, this is intrinsic level, conduction band and the valency band, this is donor level, ED. At low temperature, EF lies between ED and EC. At low temperature, EF lies between ED and EC. At high temperature, the Fermi level goes to intrinsic level. At high temperature, the Fermi level goes to intrinsic level.